She must be merciless. Ah, moon of my delight, that knows no wane, the moon of heaven's shower has risen once again. How oft hereafter rising shall she look through the same garden after me in vain? Okay. This came from Frank Kent, known as Skipper Kent. Skipper? Jesus. Known as Skipper Kent. Talking about a drink I've never had, using ingredients I haven't used before. Let's make a Merciless Virgin, shall we? Okay. Well, let's see. What are we going to need? Well, we're going to need cherry herring. We're going to need a velvet falernum. We're going to need curacao, and earlier today, I received what many would consider to be the good stuff. Pierre Ferrand dry curacao. We need a lightly aged rum. Need you. My plantation rum. Also need lemon juice and seltzer. So keep that there. Lemon juice. Actually, I'm going to juice it this time, and it is a lemon. Okay. And what else do I need? Of course, I need to get my jigger. Need to get my shaking tin, and it's going to be served. It says in the book to use a footed pilsner. I don't have one of those. Collins glass is going to be fine for me. And the book is a lovely book called Smuggler's Cove. This is from Martin Kate with Rebecca Kate, and this shows about the cult and the rise, fall, and re-rise of tiki. So this is from his recipe, and I want to taste it. So let's get this going. Let me get my tools, and we'll get this going. Now, to make this, I'm going to need to get these out of the way. That here. And I will need, first, 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. No problem. 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. A 1/2 ounce of cherry herring. A 1/2 ounce of velvet falernum. And I need a 1/4 ounce of dry curacao. Only a 1/4 ounce. That sounds low. Okay, and now I need... Oh, wait a minute. Is it plantations I need? Where are you? No, I don't need... It's not that one. It's a good thing I didn't use it. I picked the wrong one. Now I need 1.5 ounces of a lightly aged rum. Appleton Estate Signature Blend. Now let's get some ice. I'm going to go 4 cubes to mix and 3 cubes for chill. Also got our friend. Get this cocktail together. Pop. Smells interesting. Let's go ahead and get a straw into there. Add seltzer to the top. Now, traditionally, to garnish, according to the book, says 3 maraschino cherries on a cocktail pick. I don't got a cocktail pick. So instead, I'm just going to grab 1 maraschino cherry. I'm going to put it right down the cocktail. And here we are. A Merciless Virgin. Let's give it a taste. That's interesting. I like it. It has a slight attack at the back of the throat as it aerates. You get the cherry. Do I? Go on one more time. The cherry hearing comes in late to me. The curacao mixed with the rum comes in first. And it tastes really good. If I were to say anything about this drink, it is lengthen it with club soda or seltzers is a good idea with this. Yeah. Oh, okay. Let it sit for a little bit, let the ice kind of dilute a little bit. Give it a good stir. Yeah. No, this is a good cocktail. Very well done. Very well done. It starts off, you get the orange liqueur from the curacao. But then as it evolves, you get the cherry hit right at the very back. And it's really well done. It's tart. It's a little bit on the tart spectrum, but it's not overly tart. I like this. Very well done. If you liked the video, then please hit like, subscribe, comment. What cocktail would you like me to do? This was fun, doing a cocktail I've never had before. For the first time on here, using 3 ingredients I've never used in the past, and it was a good result. I do like this cocktail. It's very tasty. You can find me on my personal YouTube page at youtube.com. Search Scott W. Smith. You will see me with tipping the old ball cap. You can find me on Patreon at patreon.com/chopless_inc. I decided to make a Patreon. You can see full unedited videos of episodes like this. You can also join my Discord under a special patron page, which will give you access to Discord on a special level. We will do eventually live streams, chatting about games, or doing cocktails like this, just fiddle around and what have you, and other rewards that have yet to be decided. So on that note, thank you for watching. This has been Scott, and you've been watching The Beginner's Bar. I'll see you next time.